As you delve deeper into woodworking, you'll find that this journey is not just about learning techniques. It's also about embracing a mindset of innovation and entrepreneurship. Many woodworkers start as hobbyists, but with dedication and creativity, they can transform their passion into a successful business venture. Understanding the market, developing your niche, and connecting with like-minded individuals will be essential steps in this process. Thank you for joining us on this woodworking journey. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to help turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps us reach fellow woodworking enthusiasts who can benefit from our community. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below, so don't hesitate to share. Stay tuned. Woodworking has a rich history, serving as both a practical skill and an art form. Many people are drawn to woodworking as a hobby due to its hands-on nature and the satisfaction of creating something from raw materials. The process of shaping wood, selecting finishes, and designing pieces can be immensely fulfilling. For many, it's a way to express creativity and find relaxation in a busy world. However, as skills develop and confidence grows, hobbyists often begin to consider the potential for turning their passion into a source of income. Identifying your niche is crucial for distinguishing your business from competitors. Start by reflecting on what aspects of woodworking excite you the most. Are you passionate about crafting rustic furniture, or do you prefer creating intricate decorative items? Conduct market research to identify gaps in your local area or online platforms. Understanding consumer trends, building essential skills. As a hobbyist, you may have developed foundational woodworking skills, but refining these skills is vital for a successful business. Consider enrolling in advanced workshops or online courses that offer specialized training in areas like fine joinery, advanced finishing techniques, or design software for woodworking. Hands-on experience is essential, so dedicate time to practice and experiment with new techniques. Additionally, learning about tool maintenance. Setting up your workshop. The workspace you create significantly impacts your productivity and creativity. A well-organized workshop can streamline your workflow and make complex projects more manageable. Ensure your workspace has adequate lighting and ventilation, as these factors can affect your comfort and safety. Invest in quality tools that suit your style and budget, and arrange your materials and equipment in a logical order. Consider incorporating workbenches, storage solutions. Pricing your products. Determining the right pricing strategy requires careful consideration of several factors. Start by researching similar products in your niche to understand market rates. Factor in the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when setting your prices. It's crucial to avoid underpricing your work, as this can devalue your craft and make it challenging to sustain your business. On the other hand, pricing your products too high might alienate potential customers. Experimenting with different pricing. Selling your work. There are a variety of platforms available for selling your woodworking creations. Online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade can help you reach a global audience. Alternatively, local craft fairs, farmers markets, and pop-up shops offer opportunities for face-to-face interaction with customers. Each selling avenue has its advantages. Online platforms provide a broader reach, while local markets allow you to build community relationships and networking within the woodworking community can lead to valuable opportunities for growth. Attend woodworking shows, join local clubs, and participate in online forums to connect with fellow woodworkers and industry professionals. Networking can lead to collaborations that expand your reach and enhance your skills. Consider partnering with local businesses or artisans for events, workshops, or joint marketing efforts. Building relationships in the woodworking community. Embracing innovation is a core component of woodworking, and embracing innovation can help your business stand out. Stay informed about industry trends and new materials that can enhance your work. Experiment with incorporating technology such as CNC machines or 3D printing to complement your traditional woodworking techniques. Innovation extends to design as well. Consider how understanding your target audience is crucial for tailoring your products and marketing strategies effectively. Engage with your customers through surveys, social media interactions, or direct conversations to gain insights into their preferences and needs. Understanding demographics, such as age, income level, and lifestyle, can help you craft products that resonate with your audience. Managing finances is essential for the long-term sustainability of your woodworking business. Keep detailed records of all income and expenses, and consider using accounting software to simplify the process. Regularly review your financial statements to understand your cash flow, profit margins, and areas where you can cut costs. Consider consulting as you navigate the transition from hobbyist to entrepreneur in the woodworking world. It's vital to remember the core reasons that drew you to this craft in the first place. Woodworking is not just about creating products. It's about the joy of working with your hands and the satisfaction of bringing a vision to life. Every piece of wood has its own story, and as you shape it, you add your woodworking journey. Transitioning from a woodworking hobbyist to a profitable business owner is a journey filled with learning, challenges, and growth. By identifying your niche, honing your skills, and embracing a business mindset, you can turn your passion into a sustainable venture. Success takes time, dedication, and resilience, but with persistence and creativity, your woodworking. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your time and hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more exciting woodworking projects, tips, and insights, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and foster a community of woodworking enthusiasts who can learn and grow together. We'd love to hear your thoughts.